Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Do you want to start banana processing industry or expanding an existing one, or simply learning more about how to start a business in a variety of industries? Then you have come to the right place and you must watch the entire video with us. A banana processing industry is something that has the potential to make you really rich. The banana processing industry is going strong, so there is a lot of room for entrepreneurs to start business with banana products. Here's how to get started. Our company, NPCS, is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995, which is widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. In this video, we will show you some profitable projects which will help you to start your business successfully. Banana wafers. Banana wafers are essentially thin slices of ripe bananas that have been dried, resulting in dense little discs of dried fruit. With an estimated annual production value of over $4 billion, wafers are produced in high volumes all around the world. Banana wafers are an ideal way to start small or medium-scale business. Banana products such as banana powder, banana puree, and banana concentrate are high-value food products. They are ready-to-eat items and can be used as part of various foods like bakery products, milkshakes, ice cream, desserts, and other drinks. It is also used for making pastry fillings, liquors, etc. This offers good potential for entrepreneurs looking to start their own business. Banana powder. The banana powder industry has grown over time because it is easy to produce. Banana powder has an annual demand size of $200 million worldwide. This market is mostly confined to Asian countries. It's an interesting product because it's so varied in its use. From health supplements to cosmetics, there are hundreds of ways to include banana powders in your business. Disposable plates from banana leaves. Using banana leaves to make disposable plates and other such food service products has been gaining popularity in recent years. Banana leaves are commonly used as plates or bowls because they are so strong. Banana leaf plates can be made with minimal processing and can provide eco-friendly alternative to plastic or disposable dishes. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have been profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technological, technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which can be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon. Please comment us how you liked our video and your suggestions. Please visit to our website for more informations. You can also reach us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, ScribeD, SlideShare. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.